Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. We're doing another loose hair crochet style. And this is one pack enough type of video. So I know when I purchase this hair in the store, ideally for a regular size head, one pack should be fine. That's how they market it. But I've also found it depends on how you distribute the hair in your head. Now I have a bigger head, so a lot of times I will buy an extra pack just to be sure. But today I really wanted to put this one pack to the test. Let's get started. So the hair that I have today is the Zury Naturali Star rod set hair. It looks so pretty in the pack. I love a big juicy curl. I love the length of this hair, at least on the model, and it's the 8, 9, and 10 length. I think what I'm gonna do is put 8 at the bottom, 9, and then 10. Let's just take it out of the pack and see what it looks like, and then we'll get to it. So I gotta say, in the pack, it's not immediately apparent which is the 8, which is 9, and which is 10. They do kind of all look the same length when they're in the pack because they have this little mesh thing around it. It comes like in a little stocking cap like this. This is one section. So I'm gonna take one out of this section and one out of the section from the other end. This is giving 10 inches. It absolutely is. So let's take one section out of the other end and just confirm. Yeah. So I would imagine that this is 8 and this is 10 because the other one was in the middle. I'm doing a lot of figuring, and honestly, it really is not going to matter because I'm probably going to end up trimming this hair anyway. So, and this is the way they come in the pack, but this is how they need to go, like that. For all of my loose hair crochet styles, I love this cap. This cap gives me a good foundation. It really does, to me, make my styles last longer. So this comes out of the pack like this and just goes over my hair. If you don't want to use a cap, you don't have to, but I'm telling you, girl, it's gonna make a difference. Now I just realized I got the open top. I don't like that. I like the closed top, but it's something I can use, so it's fine. So I have a latch hook. I've seen people use a beading tool. I don't know how to use that, so I'm gonna stick with what I know. In the back, through my braid and the cap, I'm going to take one piece of hair. I'm not gonna pull it apart and make two sections. I wanna keep it together for now. I put it on the latch hook. Some of the hair is coming off, but I don't really care about that. Pull it through, take the latch hook off, grab the hair, and pull it through. Now, because this is a curly hair, you can do one loop and it should be fine. If you want it to be tighter and more secure, you could do 2 loops. But because I'm doing the shorter one in the back, I don't think that I'm gonna do 2 loops. It's gonna make it too short. Hey guys, I'm back. So here is the fully installed hair. I actually slept on it. This is the second day of wearing this hair. I'm gonna tell you right now, the layering is not as easy as it seems. The layering really just depends on what the hair wants to do. Little pieces like this will pop out and just kind of stand up, and I have to put them back where they belong. But overall, I really do like this hair. I also want to tell you that this little fuzzy situation is only after 1 day. So this is hair that is going to tangle. It's going to get fuzzy, but surprisingly also, it's going to slip out pretty easily until it gets more tangled at the roots. I've had a few pieces that I will look at and they'll be like super long down here because I have to redo the loop to make it even. I didn't do any cutting. This is just kind of how the hair fell. I do think that this piece I'm going to trim a little bit, but I don't want to do too much too soon. I think that I'm probably going to wear this hair for about 2 weeks. I'm going to get up in the morning. I'm going to put a little bit of curl mousse on my hands. I'm going to smooth it through the hair, and then I'm just going to trim any fuzziness like this off. I don't want to take too long in the mornings. The whole point of these styles is to be able to get up and go, but I do want it to look presentable. It is very bouncy. It's very, very cute, but the more motion you get, the more you have these little pieces that kind of start to stick out. If you don't care about that, that's fine. I used an entire pack of hair, and I think I needed probably another third of a pack. In here, I started to skip spaces. I actually skipped like a whole braid, if you can see right here. So I really could have used another third pack, and I didn't even put them close in the back. So I think that A pack works for somebody who either doesn't have as many braids as I have in my hair or who doesn't have as big a head as I have. Let me know if you've tried this hair. The pack was $19.99, so I only used one pack. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a good day.